Hi, I am here to talk to you about the OUTXE phone lanyard, and this is something that I use every day as a part of my business. It's helpful to me because I can keep my phone hanging around my neck without letting it go as I move around taking pictures of different product. So what this comes with is the small wristlet with the clip on the top, right there, and then it also comes with that adjustable neck lanyard here. And this is what I use most consistently. As you can see, it has the clip here where you can adjust the length. You can make it longer or shorter really easily, even while you're wearing it. And then it just has your phone attached at the bottom. So the way that this attaches, it comes with 4 of these pads. They're just really thin pads here with a ribbon and then a metal ring at the bottom. And all you do is you slide that through just whatever phone case you have. It goes through that hole at the bottom where your charging cord is plugged into your phone. So you can see there, it just sits in the back of the case. This is hanging out here, and then you would just put your phone into the case. It holds it in place, and then you have that loop there to clip your lanyard really, really easily. And the thing that's nice about this is that it does not get in the way of putting your charging cord in. So even when I'm not using it with my lanyard throughout the day, I just keep it there. It just folds down and you still have plenty of room to plug your charging cord in there. It doesn't get in the way at all. And this has been, like I said, on my phone for like 6 months now. I've been using it and I've had no issues. I've used this one pad, nothing's broken, nothing's ripped. It has held up extremely easily and well for me, and it's something that I would definitely recommend.